Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to today's video. My name is Donnie and today I'm going to show you what a drill-through filter is and how you can use it to make interactive pages in Power BI. So initially, drill-through filters are a type of filter in Power BI. So of course, if you've been using Power BI, you should know that there's three types of filters: filter on this visual, filter on this page, and filter on all pages. But before, years ago, when Power BI was just starting, there was actually a fourth filter, and that is the drill through filter. The thing is, nowadays, in the current version of Power BI, the drill through filter is now found under the visualizations pane. And they actually sort of like stopped calling it filter at some point. But in a way, it's like a filter. So it's a filter that crosses pages. So to better visualize this, let's fast forward. And I already uploaded three files here: products, sales, and territories file. I also already created two pages. So one of the pages, the first one, has a matrix containing the product names and the sum of order quantities. The second page is the order quantities and then the countries. So you would notice that I created two pages, and this is what a drill through filter really is all about. So a drill through filter needs at least two pages for it to really make sense. So here's how it works. So remember that in page two, I have country and order quantity as part of my visual, and page one only has the product names. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my data and bring in country field, drag it, and put it over here in the add drill through fields here. And there's sort of like nothing happened. That is because drill through filters work in a certain way. So maybe the first question is, why country? Why not continent? Why not region? Or why not the other fields from the other table? The thing is, country field is a field that is found in page two, specifically this visual. And that is what you need to do. The drill through filter that you're going to assign to a certain page or the certain visual for that matter needs to be a field that another chart or another visual has. So I'm now going to go to page two and I'm going to right click on the country, or let's say Australia. And you will notice that I now have a drill through option over here and it sends me to page one. To first show you, under page one, I currently have 2,630 quantity. But if I'm going to do this, right click on Australia, drill through page one, then this visual will send a filter to that matrix under page one. And now I only have 848. So this is now a matrix filtered to show only data from Australia. You could actually see that here in the visualizations that Australia is checked. This is also a way, this is also where you can clear the filter to sort of like reset the matrix back to add the unfiltered numbers. So just to show you again, I go to page two and I'm going to right click on, let's say, United States this time, and then drill through page one. Now I have a different set of numbers, a different total over here, and you will see that United States is checked here in my drill through filter. So even if a drill through filter is already active in the first page, if I, let's say, filter again, so drill through page one, then that filter gets bypassed. So this is how drill through filters work. Now, if there's no country drill through filter over here, let me clear this first, and then remove the filter. And if I go back to page two, you will notice that I don't have any more drill through options because it doesn't see any visual that has a drill through filter of country. Now, when you publish your report in Power BI Online and share it, that drill through is actually carried over as well. So I previously published that report just to show you that I have these pages over here. And let me clear this filter first. So coming back from page 2, so as you could see, page 1 is unfiltered 2630. And just like what we did in the desktop version, I'm going to right click, let's say on France, and then drill through option is also here. And then click the page that you want to drill through. And take note that if you have more than one page that has the same drill through filter, then there will be more options over here. So one suggestion is that instead of page 1, you may want to rename the tab so that it sort of like is more meaningful rather than just page 1. So page 1, I'm going to click it. And now it sends me back to page 1 with the matrix now filtered, showing the data from France. And if I need to delete that, you just have to clear the filter and it's back to normal. So what if, for example, I'm going to go to page 1 and I'm going to create another visual, this time a pie chart. And let's say that for this pie chart, I'm going to put here, let's say the product colors. I just don't have a lot of data here right now. And then I'm going to bring in order quantity for values. So I now have a pie chart, but I don't have a deal through filter assigned to this pie chart. But yes, I have another one for this one. I'm going to bring in country again for here. Okay. And let's see if that drill through is also carried by the pie chart. So if I'm going to click here, you will see that it's also there. Okay. So drill through filters are technically page filters. You don't have to do it per visual. And if I'm going to navigate back to page 2, let's say right click here, Germany, and then drill through page 1, then both charts will update. So this is a type of a filter, for type of filter, as they say in the original Power BI. It sort of like allows us to go to one page to another using a filter. And by going to that page, it allows you to send that field as a filter to the charts of that page. Sort of like drill through. So if I'm in page 2 and I want to find out how's the product colors and the products for that country, I just have to right click and drill through Canada, for example, and see a more detailed report of Canada. So that's one way to apply drill throughs. And that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope this video helped you with what a drill through filter does and what it can do in your reports. And if it did help you, we would appreciate a like and subscribe in the channel. It really helps us get motivated to create more videos for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video for you maybe. And for now, that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.